All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to write and run our very first script with Python, terminal, and the IDLE that came with the Python installation, okay? So what I want to do is I want to go to the Finder, and if you're on Windows, go to the Start menu and type in Python. And what we're looking for is the icon here that says Python 3.9. And we're going to double click on the IDLE. Okay, so if you type in Python IDLE on your Windows machine, this should pop up and we'll load this up. And then I'm going to pin this to my dock so that on my Mac here, I don't have to keep looking for it. Now on Windows, what you can do is you can pin it to the taskbar. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to do the following. I want to create a file. So we're going to click on File, New File. Okay, and we're going to save this file. Save as. And on the desktop, I want you to create a folder called, let's see here. Let's go to the desktop first. And we're going to call this 01 Python script. Okay, so we know that this is our first Python script. Okay, now we're going to type in script 01.py. So py is the extension for Python. Okay, you can also do pyw. Okay, so now we have officially created a Python file. Okay, right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to do 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 100. Okay, I'm going to hit File Save, and then I want you to run iTerm on your Mac, Terminal on Linux, and GitBash on Windows. Okay, and we're going to run the script. Okay, and we should get an answer of, let's see if I can do quick math here. That should be 114. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to type in ls, not there, in iTerm on the Mac, and GitBash on Windows, and Terminal on Linux. We're going to type in ls. We're going to change the directory to desktop. Okay, make sure you're on the desktop. Okay, and I'm going to type in ls, and I'm going to change the directory again to 01, and then I'm going to hit tab. And this should autofill Python script. Okay, now we're going to type in Python space, and we're going to do script 01.py. So py. Okay. It didn't work. Interesting. So I'm going to change the directory back. We're going to do Python script 01.py, and it doesn't work. Okay, let me just see something. I think because we made a change. Okay, let's try it again here. So let's change the directory again. My apologies for that. When I tested this in the last video, everything worked fine. So come on, man. What are we doing? All right, so we'll do Python script 01.py. Okay, that didn't work. And you know why it didn't work? Because I need to print it. So it's doing exactly what it should do, which is nothing. So now we're going to save it. And now I'm going to do Python script 01.py. There you go, 114. My math is correct. Okay, so now if we wanted to add to this and do print hello world, okay, and then print Python is amazing and a lot of fun when my instructor knows what he's doing. What are you trying to say? I do know what I'm doing. Sometimes. I like to have fun. Okay, so I'm going to clear this. We're going to do Python and we'll do script 01.py. Hello world, Python is amazing, a lot of fun when my instructor knows what he's doing. There you go. So that's how you write and run your first Python script with terminal and IDLE. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.